Fishing with Junior fam. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Man, I want to talk to you guys a little bit, man. I was going to talk about understanding fish species, the bass fish species, but man, I changed my mind 'cause I've been thinking about something. I want to talk about confidence with bass fishing. And man, I'm pretty sure all you guys have went through those bouts and those droughts, man. You're not catching no fish. It seemed like nothing you throw works, and you're low. Your morale is just low, 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 low. But look, if I can encourage you guys, man, whenever that confidence is low, if I can encourage you guys to go back to the basics, go back to what helped you catch fish in the first place. Go back to your, excuse me, you go back to your go-to lure. Let's say your go-to lure is I'm just say Cinco. If your go-to lure is a Cinco, go back to it. Because as you get more experience, you kind of evolve and you get to other lures, better lures, and things of that nature, man. Go back to the basics. Go back to your basic setup, and also location plays a big part whenever you build any confidence back again. Go to a neighborhood pond, something smaller where you don't have to uh, do too much trying to figure it out. Man, go to a place that you know that holds some bass there, and go to where you know you can find them at. And by doing that repetitiously, your confidence will come back. Also, read and study as much as you can. I have this book my wife bought for me, and man, I mean, it has other species, but it has a big bass fishing species in here. And since I've been reading this book, it has taught me so much about bass fishing. So whenever I lose confidence, first thing I'll do is I'll get my old school trusty dusty setup. I'll get uh, Cinco lures, Cinco's green pumpkin chartreuse tip. That's my favorite lure of all time. Uh, I'll go to a smaller body of water where it's not much, 3, 4 acre, little pond or whatever, and it's not much to think about. You can just fish, and you can go back to those old tactics, and you everything will come back to you through the structure. If it's wintertime, slow it down, or if it's around summer, don't you know don't go too slow. Speed it up a little bit, and also, and once you do that, man, your confidence will come back. Then you can go to a bigger body of water where it's a little more challenging, but now you're more confident, so you know what will work, and you know how to find them. And another thing that I do is I teach other people to fish too. So as I'm teaching them all kind of techniques, all kind of things that I learned when I first started fishing years and years ago, it all comes back because once you going and you fishing, man, some things I ain't gonna lie, they get kind of pushed away because you learn all this new stuff, and it's like the basics. Sometimes you're so advanced, the basics is non-existent. So what I've uh, come to realize, man, stick to the basics whenever your confidence is low. And even when you are confident, the basics always work. I'm sorry. I don't care how experienced you are. If you're fishing a Bassmaster, MLF, uh, the best kayak tournament in the world, don't matter. The basics work. And sometimes the more simple you keep it, the better you'll be able to fish. Um, we can get so engulfed in all the front facing sonars and all these new lures and all this exquisite stuff. Look, man, I've done it before. The top $15 lure, I could buy the H2O Express band from Walmart and still catch the same amount of fish. Everybody knows it. But name and quality does play a part sometimes. But I feel like any lure can catch any fish. Any cheap lure can outfish any expensive high-dollar lure. So let's keep it back to the basics. Let's go for what we know. Let's go to what got us to the experience that we got now. And if you continue doing that, man, I'm telling you, your confidence will come back like that. So, without further ado, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. That's all I have for you guys today. Just build your confidence. And I want you guys to check out this video that I'm about to play for you guys. This was a day where my confidence was really, really low. I was with my buddy. He pretty much whacking them. And I hadn't really caught much that day, but I caught that one nice fish going back to the basics. And man, it started coming back on. So I'm going to show this clip, and I appreciate you guys. I see you guys on the water. Peace.
Got him. On the got him again? Damn. Crawfish. They won't. Damn, he's black? Salty? Right. There we go. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Come here. Nice one. Ooh. Ah. Got him. No, yours is bigger. That one was bigger. Yeah, way bigger. Oh yeah, he's 3. Guaranteed. Yeah. Man, they in here.